Yeah, hello everyone. So my name is Mingyu. It's Indonesia call name is just Kim. So I'm from Korea. My birthday is 1999, November 25, and I'm a Padang player. So my agent has tell me, Kim, we can try new challenge, go to Indonesia Division 2. So he tell me it's like Semen Padang FC. This team is West Sumatra. So before this team played to the League 1. So how your thing is? I say it's just search the Google, Instagram. Yeah. So this is my first time I know to Semen Padang FC. Oh, yeah, really different. But first, this season is all my memories really happy. First time is come here. I don't know this culture, the different food, the different everything. Because before coming here, just Malaysia is few months, and then all my life is live in Korea. In my life is never come to Indonesia. So Indonesia football is more never. So when we start first game, yeah, I'm still remember. It's 2-0 win is PSDS start, and then last match is the PSPSPF. So I remember is every match is every moment. Some game is, yeah, we don't have an easy game, but some game is more hard work, but we need to win, so we can. So and then is I like is it together, this together. So before I play in Korea Division 1, 2 is the university, high school, middle school is everyone is. My feel is this team is just like my job first, but first time my life is this team. Oh, this team is real my family. This is my feel. So yeah, I really want to go together with to go League 1. So I really want to go to win every match. But now I remember to before, I don't have a maybe bad memory. So yeah, this is just difficult to one word. But this I need to tell the one word. I'm so happy this year. I most good memory match is yeah, every match is a good memory because we many games win. We never lose the before final in our home. But I need to choice, yeah, Malin United, our home match, because yeah, we are fixed go to League 1. So before my style is not cry, never. But I don't know why. After match, the finish second half is the referee is the like finish the whistle. Yeah, I don't know why, but yeah, nearby me is have a Saiful Ramadan. So I hug him, but I don't know why it's like the cry. I think this is a happy cry. So many Korean friends and my family too, he asked me, why you cry? Before you never, right? It's like, yeah, so I don't know. Maybe this is happy cry because this season is really long way, right? It's the home is always, yeah, every Indonesia team is always go too far. So yeah, this is long way. But the Malin United match is already fixed, yeah. So yeah, maybe my memory is first is Malin United, our home match. Yeah, go away some city I'm already go, but go to not vacation, it's just like the match. I need to match. So just hotel, go to training. So I don't know another city, but in Padang is I live to 8 months. The first my style is don't like to too much go outside. So sometimes it's like because in Korea is more stay just home, but in here is I don't have a friend. This football friend is too much, but Yeah, I don't have my daily friend. Don't have my family. Yeah, so sometimes I really boring. So I'm just go outside. It's like cafe, and there's some restaurant. The name is I remember it's like kioski. Yeah, this is my favorite. Yeah. Everybody says people don't have a Starbucks, but this year right? Yeah, this year. Yeah, last year the make new. So I many time go there. Yeah, beach too. Yeah, Marawa Beach Club too. Yeah, this is a little bit far, but yeah, this is beautiful. I think some local player go to Marawa too. But I don't know. Maybe yeah, of course have a more good place, but I still don't know. But if I have a chance, like next season, it's like yeah, I don't know. But if country again is play this team more, yeah, I will try to another place too. Favorite food? Oh, favorite food? This is a little bit difficult. I think my tasty style is still Korean, but I heard this Padang food is popular in Indonesia or in the world, right? So sometimes we try to Padang food. It's like yeah, I saw first time. It's like so many menu is on the table. So I choose one. Yeah, what I want is eat. It's like ayam. It's like seafood. It's like ikan. Yeah, so this is new experience. Yeah, new experience. So, but it's tasty. Is good. So I think my favorite is just Padang food. Its name is Padang food. Yeah, so we go away. Yeah, we also go to Padang restaurant. So yeah, this is my friend. Is Padang restaurant. So yeah, it's good. And then yeah, before I don't know exactly it's Lendang. Lendang is, but I heard it's really popular in the world. So I try. Yeah, this is good. It's like tasty. It's like Lendang is beef, right? Yeah, beef, and then tasty is little bit coconut. Yeah, so I like Lendang too. Semen Padang fan is first really unbelievable, and then yeah, thanks support us. Really, this is serious because when I play Korea, yeah, my ex team is really big team and then strong team, but the normally is usually come to home game is maybe 8,000, it's 9,000. Yeah, it's more than 10,000. It's like, oh, today is many fans come. This is my ex team mine. But I'm come here, I'm really shocked because every match is full. 11,000. Yeah, minimum is 10,000. And then last match and then Malut and then Persi Raja is the important match is really full. 11,400. And then everybody support us. So I proud my supporters. Really, I proud. If we don't have our supporters, I think we never go to League One this season. So my main is really thank you so much my supporters. If you don't have, we never go to League One. But I hope Semen Padang FC next play is League One. It's not Liga 2. So I heard Semen Padang FC before 2018 is same situation this year. Go to League One, but only one season play League One and again to Liga 2. So after 5 years, only stay League 2. Yeah, I heard. So I think is go to League One is really difficult because everybody go to League One is difficult, long way, hard work. But if League One is down to League 2, it's really easy. So before Semen Padang FC already failed memories, just one season and then down. So I hope Semen Padang FC is never down League 2, so only play League 1. This is I wish. Yeah, so Yeah, so really many fans, really many person, but I can't remember all. But serious, really thank you so much. Love me, support us, love us. So yeah, I can't take a picture all. I can't take the sign. I can't give to jersey, but please, please, yeah, just if I played a more long time here, I try to my best more. But yeah, so I want to meet again yours. My friend is telling me is yeah, you can speak Korean, but I try to English, but my English is really shit. So please understand my shit English. But it's my friend one try to how can speak? Yeah, translate. So you close to your ears, you just see the translate. Thank you so much this season. So Semen Padang FC luar biasa.